In this video, I want to show you our Giant Orgonite Pyramid. This is we sell pyramids in 4 different sizes: small, medium, large, and giant. The giant is our biggest, and it is very big. Let me see. I need 2 hands for this. So I have big hands, and you can kind of see the size. So this is it's very large. It's weighty. It's got a nice felt bottom, so it sits comfortably on top of anything. All of our pyramids are sleek, dark gray. They're made of fine iron powder and high quality carbon-based epoxy. When you're making orgonite, you need an organic substance and an inorganic substance, and you want to layer those two. So for the inorganic substance, we use the fine iron powder. We believe it resonates with the iron in a human's blood. And we use really high quality carbon-based epoxy. We've gone all over the world looking for the best materials, and over about 20 years now, we found them. All of our pyramids are sleek, they're dark gray, they have a metallic shine, as you can see. They're very, very dense, very dense. We've worked with a material science PhD to perfect the composition and the look and the feel of all of our pyramids, and we're really proud of the results. So this is the result of a year of hard work. All of our pyramids are made using the original recipe for orgonite developed by Karl Hans Welz, the inventor of orgonite. There are no visible layers. So you see some of these colorful pyramids out there, so-called Orgone pyramids out there. And we don't believe that those accumulate much orgone because the layers are visible. In this case, you can see there are really no visible layers, but what that means is that there are thousands and thousands of invisible layers. Basically, the organic and inorganic material has bonded so tightly that it has created layers that you cannot see with the naked eye. And that, we believe, is much more powerful at accumulating positive life energy. So this pyramid right here is worth, given the size, given the composition and the materials, we believe this is worth much, much more than hundreds of more colorful, ornate pyramids. And as with all of our pyramids, its primary purpose is to accumulate positive life energy and to pass it to the surroundings. So you can put a pyramid throughout your house to create better energy in a room and to capture positive life energy and pass it to the surroundings. We sell the giants in sets of 3, sets of 4, and then 4 come in the Giza collection, which we have as well. But this is an amazing pyramid. I love it. I've got 3, and this is the giant pyramid. If you want to, if you have a set, then you're going to put your anchor pyramid on the generator, which links it to the other pyramids. If you don't have a set, you could just do this. This is the Performer 2400 HD. And there you go, or you can put it right next to it. There's a silver output tube in the back, so you can put it in front of that. You can put it on the generator. You can put it next to the generator, like all of these. But this is an amazing pyramid, and this is the Giant Orgonite Pyramid.